1, 2, 3, 4. When you are strumming, you are playing a rhythm. When you are playing a rhythm, you've got to reference a pulse or a beat every time you play. What you don't want to do is this, with your hands just moving up or down depending on what you just played. So, a way to ensure that you're constantly referencing the pulse is to move your hand to the pulse. Try this instead. Down, down, up, skip, up, down. On that third beat, even though I'm not hitting the strings, I'm still moving my hand down just to ensure that I have the strumming momentum referencing the pulse every time. Remember, when you are strumming a rhythm. That rhythm should almost always reference the pulse.